everyone, I'm back. I'm not in the classroom, but I'm back via video. I'm here after school one of the days this week. Just want to do a short video on the project or activity that you're going to be doing, and we're going to be doing some math out of it. Okay, so it's called Hotel Snap, and you have the double-sided paper that's on there, and I wanted to go through it with you a little bit. You're going to be getting a container of 40 Unifix cubes. Just make sure there's 40 in there. And you're going to be building a hotel. And there are some parameters on building this hotel. Okay? Each cube represents a hotel room. So you're going to have 40 hotel rooms. Everybody will. You have to use all 40 cubes. It has to stand freely on one side of the cube. You can have this. That's not good. Don't want to hurt my arm. So it can stand freely. It can't stand on one side, if you can kind of see this. Okay, so it's got to be able to just stand freely on its own, not on any edges. Next bullet says the entire hotel must be a one-piece structure. You can't have loose pieces or things to sort of join with it. It's got to be one structure. All rooms must have at least one window, which is a vertical side of the cube. Okay. This is going to be considered your roof or your ceiling, and then underneath will be your floor, okay? And these are your windows. You have to have one exposed window, meaning you cannot have, like I'm going to take this piece, and there's a piece underneath right there in the middle, below here, that is not exposed. You have to have at least one window exposed. You can't have any cubes in. And then what you're going to be doing on the first day is to figuring out the cost of the hotel. And there's land that's involved, there's roof and windows, and then there's a tax. So the part about the land is if the property is squared in, you have to include all of that, meaning if it's all four walls that are going in. However, if the property stands and you have like three, and you build up from this is only taking up, well, it's going to depend on the top view. So what you're going to want to do is look down on your property from an aerial view, and how much space does it take up from the bird's eye view? How many square feet of land does it take up? And that's going to be how much land that you use, okay? So the goal today is going to be to play around with the hotel, try different building shapes, and then calculate the cost of the hotel, the land, the roof, the windows, and the tax. Now, if you start to see that you should have done it a different way, go back, redo it again, and then figure it out today. Okay, on the back gets into day 2, which is some income, and if you do get through that, you can start to figure out some of the income, and that's on the back. We will be doing a math lesson on variables and formulas from this project when we get back to class. So be prepared to do some other work that are extended out of this, all right? My shoulder's feeling pretty good. You're watching this on Thursday, so I should definitely be back in on Monday to be able to finish this piece up. All right, you guys, hope things go well and really do a good job on this. See you Monday.